You're watching Explorer Vacations. Welcome to Santorini, the legendary jewel of the Aegean Sea. From the moment you arrive, you'll understand why this Greek island captivates the imagination of millions. It's a place where myth, history, and unparalleled beauty converge. Beyond the iconic sunsets and dazzling architecture, Santorini holds a dramatic past. This crescent-shaped island is actually the remains of a massive volcanic eruption, one of the largest in recorded history, which occurred approximately 3,600 years ago. This colossal event led to the collapse of the center of the island, creating the breathtaking caldera we see today, a deep water-filled crater. The eruption also buried a sophisticated Minoan town at Akrotiri, often referred to as the Minoan Pompeii. These ruins offer an incredible window into the Bronze Age, proving that civilization flourished here long before the stunning views became famous. The island's unique geology gives rise to its distinct character. The volcanic ash and lava created fertile grounds for the famous Assyrtiko grape, producing world-class white wines. Wander the cliffside paths of Fira and Emiravigli, where traditional Cycladic houses cling impossibly to the steep slopes. Painted in dazzling white against the deep blue sea, the contrast is simply unforgettable. But the magic truly culminates in Ia, especially at sunset. Join the crowd as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in fiery oranges and soft pinks, a daily spectacle that feels both ancient and eternally new. From its explosive birth to its enduring charm, Santorini is more than just a destination. It's an experience etched in time. And now we're going to stop talking and start walking.
Tirar uma foto sua ali que vai ficar bonito.
Number 12. 12. Is this the rest of those who go down with me? So,
didn't listen to instructions.
anyhow, normally I see some people are coming fast against me. This means they want to go back with me.
For travel ideas about Greece and beyond, visit our website, ExplorerVacations.com, to see all of the exciting vacation options we have for you.